Poco X3 NFC.
So this is a bit.
Flagship killer. It's a flagship killer. A real flagship killer.
Oh, super yellow.
It's the Poco color yellow. Typical Poco color. Wow.
Wow,
Super nice. Flagship
yeah,
killer.
it's not bad.
Super big screen. 6.67 inches. 128 gigabyte. Check also what else is inside here.
We have a charger.
33 watt
Oh, that's a really big charger.
milliampere
that.
hours. 33
And
milliampere
what
hours.
else do we have here? This is I think this is the
The
manual.
useless paper.
Oh, there's
what do we
call
a
it?
cover.
Oh, a cover.
You removed the sticker also
There's no sticker anymore.
at the back. Are you already removing it?
Yeah, I did.
Let me see. Wow. Super nice. Oh, you didn't remove it. Remove the sticker here, please. It's going to replace my Huawei P30 Pro.
Is this plastic?
Yeah, but it feels and looks good, right? Yeah.
For how much?
This version was 250. The cheaper version is 200 only. But this one has 128 gigabyte. And I need 128 gigabyte. 64 gigabyte memory is not really enough. So that's really a beautiful smartphone with a big camera bump. Very nice. Looks like metal. Look at the edge here. Looks like metal.
No, middle.